This Klimaire 12,000 BTU ductless mini split system delivers powerful cooling and heating with high 22 to 23 inverter efficiency, ideal for rooms up to 550 square feet. It includes a complete installation kit, smart control compatibility, and quiet operation for reliable, energy-saving year-round comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High-efficiency smart performance. The Klimaire U Pro Series 12,000 BTU system delivers powerful cooling and heating with an impressive 23 rating. Easily control settings via Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Smart Life app for convenient, modern climate management from anywhere in the room. Number 2. Effortless hands-on cleaning design. Designed for easy maintenance, key components like the filter, vanes, plate, and flap can be quickly removed and reassembled. The built-in tilt support allows uninstructed access to internal parts, making deep cleaning simple and efficient. Number 3. Smart airflow technology. Enjoy enhanced comfort with advanced airflow patterns. Shower-style cooling distributes air evenly from above, while blanket-style heating wraps the room in warmth, ensuring consistent temperature coverage and a more immersive indoor climate experience. Number 4. Gentle breeze comfort mode. Experience a natural, soft airflow that eliminates harsh drafts. The gentle breeze mode creates a relaxing environment, making it ideal for sleeping, working, or everyday living while maintaining optimal indoor comfort. Number 5. Advanced self-cleaning system. A 4-step self-cleaning process, frosting, defrosting, high-temperature drying, and 133-degree Fahrenheit sterilization, keeps the unit hygienic. This ensures cleaner air, improved indoor air quality, and long-lasting system performance with minimal maintenance effort. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you the most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.